possible card vanish. Watch carefully. The magician takes a card and vanishes it onto the table. This doesn't work, so he tries a second time. This time, the card disappears. Completely. Hey, how's it going everybody? Owen here, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you one of the most visual and deceptive card vanishes out there. You can do this with any deck of cards and it always gets killer reactions. So let's go to the card table and learn the rubber dub vanish. There are lots of variations of this vanish, but the one I'm going to be teaching you in this video is my favourite. To begin, hold the deck in mechanics grip and then push one card to the side. From here, what you're going to do is come in with your other hand and rotate the card slightly. So you go from here to here. Now what you need to do is practice using your thumb to pull the card flush with the rest of the deck. So you just do this. And once you can do that, you know the mechanics behind the rubber dub vanish. Now what you need to do is the exact same move but under the cover of your other hand. So this hand comes down in a sweeping motion, and when it completely covers the card, you pull it back onto the deck. So slowly it looks like this. To further hide the fact that you're sliding a card, once your hand is over the deck, rotate your wrist as well. This makes it invisible. At full speed, it looks like this. To further sell the illusion, I always begin by doing a fake one, not being able to rub it into the table, and then doing a real vanish. So this is the rubber dub vanish. Thank you very much for watching. If you're interested in learning some incredible card tricks, including flourishes, cuts, shuffles and more, and tricks that are just too good to reveal on YouTube, then check out my magic card course in the first link in the description. It contains some of the best card tricks ever created and will give you the ability to walk into a room and impress anybody that you like. So go and check out Card Magic Pro in the first link in the description.